What up, everybody? What's going on? It's Young Master Groove here. Once again, as I said, inspiration always hits whenever I'm exercising. So here we are with another one. Today, pretty much I just want to talk about like you got to be a little honest with yourself, and don't make excuses. Like, if you want to be successful, winners really, really, truly don't make excuses. And what inspired me to make this video is, in everyday conversations, people always, kind of say things like, I don't have the money for this, or I don't have the time for that, or, they always say, limiting things and things like that. But, I live in Florida. So, there's a potential hurricane coming. And all of a sudden, people stocking up on gas, they stocking up on water, and just typical Hurricane Florida stuff. And it made me connect these dots because just yesterday or the day before, a lot of these other people probably needed finances to do something, and they probably say, oh, I don't have the money, or they needed the time to do something, and they probably say, I don't have the time. But all of a sudden, the threat of a storm, an imminent storm is coming. All of a sudden, you got time to take out of your day to go sit, I don't know, an hour in line at a gas station. That's inconveniencing. You got the money to all of a sudden fill up your entire car with gas, and also 5 to 10 little jugs on the side. That takes money. So all of a sudden you do have the money and you do have the time for this stuff because your situation got that genuine and sincere about it. So that's just a little interesting observation. Like, take someone like me, for example. I'm not bragging. I'm just giving you a bit of contrast. I don't need to go stock up on water. Why? Because my priorities are in order. I already have water. I already have food. I don't have to go shopping because my priorities for all of that is in place. It's in order. Like, I will say, though, I do need gas for the simple fact that I genuinely need gas. For the past several days, I've been pretty active in these streets and zipping around and doing this and doing that. So I just genuinely need gas. But that's another point that I want to make is the truth is it's just your priorities. That's all it is. It's your priorities. You think you don't have the money. You do have the money. If you have a job, you got money coming in from somewhere. You just got to know how to manage it better. So your priorities is off. You do have the time, but it's just your priorities is off. And that's the key to the whole thing is have your priorities together. You have your priorities together, then you can start to pursue the life that you want to pursue. You can live out the dreams that you really want to live. You can start pursuing your dreams. As Gary Vee would call this, a situation like this, with this hurricane, and all of a sudden you have the money and you have the time to buy all of this extra shit. As Gary Vee would call it, it's calling you out on your own bullshit. Excuse my language. It's calling you out on your own bullshit. So before, you didn't have the money and you didn't have, the time, and I can't think of any other resources, but I know there's something out there. But all of a sudden, when situations change, all of a sudden you have that. So just be a little honest with yourself. Get your priorities together. We're going to make this one nice, short, and sweet. Drop some likes, drop some comments, and subscribe if you want more. This channel is extremely focused and extremely dedicated to spiritual, inspirational, and motivational content. Period. There won't be any other thing. So if you subscribe, that's what you're going to get. Once again, it's Young Master Groove, baby. It's all love. Seriously, it's all love. Be kind to one another. We out.